Rover kids. My name is Caitlin, and I'm a 4-H Youth Program Associate from Platte County, Missouri. Today, we are going to learn how to make stress ball balloons. Here are the supplies you will need. Baking pan, balloons, funnel, scoop or spoon, rice, beans, or flour, yarn, a permanent marker, scissors, optional essential oils. First, grab a balloon and your funnel. Connect your balloon to your funnel. And grab your rice and your scoop or spoon. Slowly add the rice in small amounts, not too much at once. Then you might need to shake it a little to get the rice down into the balloon. Keep filling until you've reached your desired amount of fullness or squishiness. Then you need to disconnect your funnel from your balloon. So pull your funnel out very slowly. Keep a hold of that balloon. Some rice might fall out, and that's okay, because that's why you have your baking pan. And then you're going to need to make a knot. But if you want to add essential oils, you would add your essential oil right now. And then tie your balloon off. And then grab your Sharpie and make a face. Here are the balloons that I made. This balloon has beans in it, flour, and rice. Depending on if you choose beans, flour, or rice, will change the squishability of your balloon, or the texture, how it feels when you press on it. And if you want to add some crazy hair to your stress ball, cut off a few pieces of string or yarn and tie it to the top. You may also notice that my balloons have different faces on them. Why did you choose to draw the face that you did on your balloon?